Hello dear subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily add your comment on someone post on Facebook. So for doing this you just need to open your app of Facebook or open it from your web browser. So I open it from app because for me app it's more comfortable and I like to view Facebook from this app. So for doing this you just need to choose post you want to comment and just click on comment, and now you can also see here write a comment. So just click here and write something, for example, nice, and just click here to add this comment, and here you can see that it's now posting, and here you can see just now it means that it shows how much time it left from posting this comment. So you can see that it was posted just now it here. So we successfully add our comment to this post, so everything's working. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.